Okay, the damper is in, and you can see this spring in combination with that loop right there is holding it in place. And so this would be closed. This is with the damper closed, and this is open. So you really don't need it to turn 360. You really just need it to turn that much to be functional. So that's it. So it doesn't block all the air. You can still see there's space on the side over here. You got the holes there. It's just slowing down the release. David wants to get involved here. So that's the damper, and it's in good shape because it'll stay where it hits a little bit on the side there, but that's okay because that helps keep it. So it's not just going to flop around, and it can go either way. And it's solid, it's not flimsy. Okay, so we're in good shape. Time to put the rest of the pipe together. Let's get it up there.